How to fine-tune Microsoft Word margins for perfect layout. Have you ever wondered how to make your Microsoft Word documents look just right? One key aspect to focus on is margins. Margins are the blank spaces around your text on each page. Getting them right can make your document more readable and printer-friendly. Let's break down how to fine-tune those margins for the perfect layout. First, you need to access the margin settings. Head over to the Layout or Page Layout tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. Click on Margins, and you will see several preset options. These include Normal, which is 1 inch all around, Narrow, Moderate, Wide, and Mirrored for documents that will be bound. If you want more control, select Custom Margins at the bottom of the drop-down menu. This will open the Page Setup dialog box. In the Page Setup dialog, you can set the top, bottom, left, and right margins individually. Just enter your desired measurements in inches or centimeters. Think about the purpose of your document. For instance, if you are preparing something for binding, you might want wider margins. If you need to fit more text on a page, narrow margins could be the way to go. You can apply these settings to the entire document or just a specific section if you have text selected. For quick adjustments, you can use the ruler. If the ruler is not visible, enable it through the View tab. You can drag the margin markers directly on the ruler for fast, visual adjustments. This method works best for shorter documents or when you need to make quick tweaks. If you are working with a document that has multiple sections, you can change margins for individual sections without affecting the rest of the document. To do this, insert section breaks where needed. Then, place your cursor in the section you want to adjust, open the Page Setup dialog, set your margins, and choose Apply to this section. Don't forget about page orientation, which you can also find in the Layout tab. Changing the orientation to portrait or landscape will affect how your margins interact with your content. If you are printing double-sided, consider using mirrored margins, which provide a wider margin on the inside edge. As you work on your layout, stick to standard margin sizes, usually 1 inch, for formal documents unless you have specific formatting needs. Always preview your document in Print Layout view to see how your margin changes affect the overall look. Be careful when applying different margins within one document to avoid layout inconsistencies. If something doesn't look right, you can always use the undo function to revert those changes. By mastering these margin adjustment techniques in Microsoft Word, you can create professional documents tailored to your needs, whether for printing, digital viewing, or binding.